Hi everyone, I'm Andy Wild. I'm the Product Manager for Cloud Services at GCI. In this short podcast, I'm going to give you a simplified overview of Microsoft's Enterprise Mobility and Security Service, known as EM&S. This podcast is one of a set of digital downloads, and in this one I'm going to focus on how Enterprise Mobility and Security will help leverage the benefits and address the risks associated with one of the biggest game changers in corporate communications. The accelerated practice of staff using their own devices at work, the so-called Bring Your Own Device or BYOD policy. I'm going to look at 3 points. What is it? What are the headline benefits? And why businesses should consider it now. Following this, I'm going to wrap up with a few real-life examples of how EM&S can help you tackle the challenges of Bring Your Own Device. In plain English, Enterprise Mobility and Security, or EM&S, is the successor to Microsoft's Enterprise Mobility Suite. It was launched in 2016 and provides organizations the ability to protect data on mobile devices, be they laptops, smartphones or tablets. It is purpose-built to help organizations provision all the services and applications mobile workers need to access. And critically, it simultaneously allows organizations to retain protection and control. So in headline terms, this protection and control covers identity management, mobile device and PC management, cloud-based file tracking, classification and encryption, protection from cyber attacks, and security for business-critical cloud applications. So why should you consider it? I suppose the simple answer is because you cannot prevent the advance of Bring Your Own Device. Indeed, many organizations have already stopped issuing mobile devices to their staff. Employees using their own devices bring a number of risks. The most important of these is the challenge of securely providing and administering access to corporate applications on a personal device. So now let's wrap up with a few real-life examples of how EM&S can help. Firstly, let's imagine a business wishes to offer a Bring Your Own Device program to all employees with the aim of 1. Reducing hardware expenditure and 2. Increasing mobile productivity. The big challenge here is the requirement to separate corporate and private applications and data, and keep both secure. EM&S is purpose-built to enable just that. Okay, let's look at a second example. A business wants to issue limited-use shared tablets to their staff. A good example might be retail employees using tablets to process customer orders, or simply using them to check inventory. The good news here is that EM&S can centrally manage those devices and securely lock them down. Here's another. A business wants to allow staff working remotely on their own devices to access secure corporate data, for example, sales information. EM&S will enroll that private device into a corporate policy for data access. So what does that mean? Simply put, it means that your mobile devices have the same protection as on-premise devices. These are just 3 examples of 20 available as a download from our website. I hope that you found this podcast helpful. Just to let you know, we'll also be running technology workshops, webinars, and exhibiting at a number of shows this year. If you'd like to find out more about these activities, please just give us a call.